So today we are going to see how that Blender Python package is going to work in the Colab IDE. So first what we are going to do, we will install that Blender package into Colab IDE and see if that efficiently going to install or not. Then what we will do, we will take a glb file like I had already uploaded here, and we will read that glb file with the help of blender package. After reading that blender package, what we are going to do is that we will convert that glb file to obj file and along with mtl file. So let's see one by one. So this is the command for installing that blender package into the Colab IDE. Let's start it. Okay, so because I had already installed it, so definitely it is going to say everything is okay. So this blender package got installed. Now next is that there is a one model.glb file which I had already uploaded here, and then we are going to read that glb file with the help of blender package. So okay, everything got readed here. That glb file read in 0.07 second. And now what we are going to do, we will convert that glb file into the obj file. So here the command and the code I had written here with the help of blender package. So here, if you will see, it will go, and then we have to define the path of obj file, and then we have to clear everything so that anything is there while importing that blender package, any 3D object file or any 3D models, it will clear that. Then we will import whatever the glb file we had read earlier, and then we will going to export that and convert that glb file to obj file. So that's all. Let's run this. Okay, so it's all done. Like if you can see, it had written this obj file as well as the mtl file. It had all exported. Let's see here. So see, yeah. So because we had defined the obj file, the name of test.obj. So here you can see test.obj, and along with that there is a test.mtl file also got exported. So that's all how we can install a Blender package into any of that IDE. But here for easy to explain, I use Colab IDE. So how to install the Blender package and how to read 3D files, and even you can convert one 3D file to another form of 3D file, like here I had done with from GLB to OBJ file. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.